What up guys? Today we're getting some shit done to the drift car Genesis. I'm gonna be welding the diff today. Now there's 100 other things I should probably be doing before this, but I wanted to get this done already and out of the way. I have the car kind of parked. Still gotta get it registered and stuff, so while I got it down pretty much, I'm gonna pull drop the diff. I'm gonna take the diff to work, I'm gonna get it welded. So I'll just zap that shit real quick, close it back up, put it in the car. I've got the car already up in the air, jack stands. I'm gonna put some of these so the car doesn't slide, even though I'm on rock, so probably won't do too much. Should have enough room to get that thing up out of there. I'm gonna drain the oil on it first, and then probably see if I can pry on the axles. Hopefully they're not stuck, and then it should probably start with the drive shaft and then the 319mm bolts. So alright, diff is up. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Actually broke a bolt, but most diffs are the same. Start off with taking the drive shaft off. I pry it up on the axles, make sure they come off. You take two in the front, usually they're either pointing up or this way. 219s in the front, there was 119 in the back for this car. And yeah, these axles slip in. On some cars you'll have like a flange with bolts, you gotta take that off. But yeah, pretty straightforward. I actually didn't drain it because I don't have the right size. Look at all this fucking head. Jesus Christ. Alright, from here it's pretty straightforward. Most of the diffs are the same. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bust off these nuts and pull this cover off. You're gonna drain out all the oil, clean the shit out of it with brake clean, make sure it's really clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this cover right off. But I put a pan here to catch all the oil that I didn't fucking take out, and then spray that shit out of it with brake clean. Alright, pop the cover off. Yeah, somebody was in here definitely. This came off a little easy, and it looks like they silicone that shit. But when you're welding the diff, what you want to weld is these gears together. These little 4 spider gears. See how I do that? You're gonna weld these guys together, each in the corner. If you get a chance, you could put a plate right here and weld the plate to the 4 gears, make your life easier. And then I've seen people weld it to the case here. So weld like here, and then do the same shit to the other side. Yeah. Make sure you got a good weld, so this motherfucker never breaks. But yeah, this is what makes your diff open. What to tell you?